The A3 Smart Lock supports multiple unlocking methods, including password unlocking, fingerprint unlocking, remote unlocking by 9 #key. Card unlocking. Phone NFC unlocking. And mechanical key unlocking. It is powered by batteries for daily use, and can also be powered by a rechargeable battery in case of low battery. The indoor lock supports a deadlocking function, which, when enabled, can only be opened by the administrator or with a mechanical key.